Business Cycle Fund NFO. Will investing in this NFO help you in your long-term wealth creation process or not? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions to achieve your financial goals faster and smarter. So before analyzing this NFO, let us first understand the basic working and the basic details of this plan. So the Sundaram Business Cycle Fund NFO opens on 5th June 2024 and is open until 19th June 2024. So some of its key features are: this fund belongs to the category of thematic equity scheme of business cycles. It has open-ended fund type and it has Nifty 500 TRI as its benchmark. You just need 100 rupees for a minimum amount of investment in this NFO. The fund managers are Mr. Ratish Warrior, Mr. S. Bharat, Mr. Jijwendra Srivatsava, Mr. Sandeep Agarwal. The exit load is 1% if you redeem it before 1 year. So the main philosophy of this NFO it aims to invest at different stages of the business cycle in the economy. So the investment objective is to provide you with long-term capital appreciation by focusing on riding business cycle through dynamic allocation between various sectors and stocks at different stages of the business cycle in the economy. Now, as we have understood the basic details of this NFO, it's time to understand the pros of investing in the Sundaram Business Cycle Fund NFO. So this fund is diversified among the top performing companies that undergoes different stages of business cycle in the economy between various sectors and stocks. And if you are an investor who's seeking for allocation in this particular theme, then this might be a suitable fund for you and you can even invest in it. If the new business cycle performs and delivers well in the market, then it can definitely boost your overall returns, as it applies the high risk and high return concept. So this might be suitable for an investor who is aggressive and is willing to take risk and is very bullish on the different stages of business cycle in the economy between various sectors and stocks. This might be suitable for them. So as an investor, you also need to know the cons of investing in the Sundaram Business Cycle Fund NFO just to analyze the risk and to see if it is compatible with us. So this fund, as it applies the high risk and high return concept, it will be suitable only if you are choosing to invest long term in it. For short term investor who wants to achieve their short term financial goals, this might not be a suitable fund and it's very risky for short term investor. Also, as this is an NFO with no proven track record as of now, this fund is not suitable for your core portfolio where you invest to achieve your core financial goals. Also, not all new trends like investing in the business cycle can translate into stock market returns. This might be a trending theme right now, but we don't know. Market is already unpredictable. So if this theme is also not performing well, it will definitely overexpose your portfolio to negative triggers. Also, this fund is not as flexible and dynamic when you actually compare it to a diversified fund. So this can add even more volatility to your portfolio as it has a huge concentration risk. So if the business cycle thing underperforms, it will definitely will be a huge blow to your investment portfolio, because the timing circle of competence is definitely important when investing in such thematic equity funds, especially because the market cycle can go from high returns to low returns and even to no return to a point of negative return. So it's very important the cycle of competence should be on our side. So what is the final takeaway? Should we invest in the Sundaram Business Cycle Fund NFO or not? As we can see, it involves a huge risk. If you're someone who's just beginning to invest and you're not willing to take risk at all, as you're a conservative investor, then this fund might not be suitable for you and you should definitely avoid. Because if you still want to invest in a thematic fund which involves business cycles, there are other existing business cycle thematic funds with a proven track record of 7 to 10 years, which you can analyze and invest in, because there is a calculated risk there. But investing in this NFO where there is no proven track record is just completely taking a blind risk. So this fund is also not suitable if you're looking for funds to add to your core investment portfolio. As you can see, there's a huge concentration risk. There's a lot of risk involved in this fund. So, and we also do not have the track record to see and analyze what kind of risk you are taking. So there is not something like that. So investing in this in your for your core portfolio will definitely impact some kind of risk to your achievement of your core financial goals. So it's better to avoid. Also, if you're not someone well versed in the business cycle fund and you don't know when to enter and exit from this fund, especially targeting the market cycle, then it's also not suitable for you, because you need some kind of expertise to know correctly predict the market and enter and exit from this kind of thematic fund. So if you want that kind of expertise to invest in this kind of funds, then you can consult your professional financial planner for suitability, check the suitability of the investment objective between your investment portfolio and the investment objective of this fund, and also to check if the risk profile of this investment fund and yours matches. They will also consider the overlap ratio between your investment portfolio and the investment portfolio of a selected fund, just to see if the overlap ratio is less or more. If it's less, they will suggest you to invest in it if it's suitable for you, but if it's more, they will definitely suggest you not to invest in it. Also, they will be able to give you the correct kind of allocation to achieve your financial goals in the long run. So involving a professional will always take the burden off your shoulders and will keep the journey of investing smoother and easier for you. So if you want professional guidance for your investment and financial decisions, then you can definitely book a one-on-one consultation with one of our professional financial planners. This is a completely complimentary consultation, so you can definitely book this through the link in the description. For if you want to gain more knowledge from leading experts in the finance industry, then for that also we conduct regularly free live webinars, for which you can register from the link in the description. If you like this video, hit like and definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can bring out more financially beneficial content like this. Thank you for watching.